Have you ever wanted to attract men without even trying? At the end of the day, it isn't your looks or personality that attract men. The truth is, there are simple techniques you can use that will make any man go crazy for you. Hi, I'm love coach and dating expert Amy North. I'm here to help you master dating with simple tweaks to your current approach that will transform your love life almost overnight. And my help begins right now. So, what is it that drives men wild with desire? Number 1, highlight your best attributes. In their landmark study, A Billion Wicked Thoughts, 2 neuroscientists studied how men and women feel desire based on their use of the internet. One of their discoveries was that men zero in on body parts and feel desire regardless of the person they're attached to. As depressing as this idea may be, we can actually use it to drive men crazy with very little effort. Instead of focusing on the perfect outfit to attract his attention, think instead of highlighting your best features, whether it be your smile, your bust, or your legs. Dress in a way that maximizes the appeal of one body part and watches men salivate based on your eyes alone. There are so many ways to achieve this that it can be a bit overwhelming, so keep it simple. All it really takes is a nice fitting shirt to make him go crazy with desire. Number 2, make eye contact. The power of eye contact cannot be overstated. If you tend to get nervous around men who you're interested in, and who doesn't, then chances are you usually avoid eye contact as much as possible. But push through your nerves and make the effort to keep up eye contact. You'll find that this practice is a powerful signal of interest and attraction that will drive men wild with desire for you. Just don't overdo it. A 2016 study found that the preferred length of eye contact was 3 seconds, with any eye contact longer than 9 seconds being uncomfortable. Number 3, smell nice. Smell has been shown to create a positive attraction in most men without them even realizing it. It's important to note here that you shouldn't try to increase your body odor. It's important to wear antiperspirant and keep up your personal hygiene as much as possible. Even still, scientists believe that the natural chemicals produced by our immune system create scents that signal to men's brains that we'd make for a good mate. Since this happens at a subconscious level, it's still advisable to wear a little perfume or some kind of signature scent in order to prime men to your presence and allow them to think about you after you've gone. Studies have also found that while you're ovulating, you produce a smell that can drive men crazy with desire. So, if you know your own cycle, you can use this information to draw his attention to you without him even being aware of it. Number 4, pay attention. Just as women do, men like to be valued. One simple way to let him know that you value him is to pay attention when he's speaking and remember the little things. For example, say that he mentions in passing that his favorite band is the Foo Fighters. If you happen to see that they're going to be coming through your city on tour, let him know. This will make him excited, not just to hear the band, but from the feeling that you're truly listening to his thoughts and feelings. Number 5, show some skin. If you're looking to make him go crazy, showing a little skin is a great place to start. Studies have shown that men rate the same woman as more attractive when they wear more revealing clothing, up to a point. Don't rock a bikini at the grocery store, but maybe opt for a lower cut top when you know you'll be running into the man of your dreams. Number 6, be confident. Here's something that they don't want you to know. Deep down, men love a confident woman. That's right, all that stuff about being submissive, agreeable, and ditzy was wrong. Men like a woman who knows what she wants and isn't afraid to ask for it. This is true in everything from business to choosing a restaurant to being able to ask for what you want. Try it out in your everyday life, and you'll see just how magnetic confidence can be. If you're struggling with confidence, try repeating the simple mantra in your head. I deserve to be happy and successful. This may feel silly at first, but it can completely transform your outlook by reshaping your self-image. Number 7, smile. Now, I know that we're all tired of random men on the street telling us to smile while they harass us, but that doesn't mean smiling is any less powerful when it comes to attracting the right guy. It can be easy to let our smile slip because we're nervous around him, but if you can make the effort to smile a little more, it's bound to drive him wild. Here's why. Studies have found that smiling, regardless of how you feel, makes you happy. And as the song goes, smile and the whole world smiles with you. Yes, if you smile at someone, they're more likely to smile in return. And since smiling makes you happy, you're literally making them feel happy. And if guaranteed happiness won't make a guy go crazy for you, I don't know what will. Number 8, play hard to get. We all know that desperation isn't sexy. If you come across as desperate, it gives guys the sense that you don't have a lot going on in your life and that you're going to rely on him for everything. This is why playing hard to get is so effective. If he gets the sense that you have other options, it will activate the competitive side of his brain that is driven to win at all costs. In this case, he'll be trying to win your heart. Playing hard to get doesn't take much. It just means not answering his text messages right away, not rearranging your plans to fit into his schedule, and leaving the ball in his court to make the first move. Number 9, give him a hug. Men are very physical creatures, and a hug is a great way to take advantage of this. Hugs are so effective because they're open to interpretation. Think about it. We hug our friends and family, but we might also hug a guy we're interested in. If you come at him with a surprise hug, he's going to be excited by the contact, but he'll also be unsure how to interpret it. Mark my words, he'll be thinking about that hug later on, trying to understand what it means. And if you can make him think about you when you're not around, you're one step closer to making him go crazy for you. Plus, skin-on-skin contact has been proven to create a bond between two people and releases the hormone oxytocin in our brains, leading to that excitement that you're looking for. Number 10, watch my free video presentation. I've spent years putting together a system that any woman can use to attract any man. Check out my free video presentation over at coachnorth.com right now to learn all about it. The system is quite literally foolproof, and it takes just a few weeks to begin working. That's coachnorth.com for more information. Number 11, change up your look. You've seen it in every cheesy movie. The girl gets a makeover, and suddenly the guy sees her in a totally new light. Well, it turns out this cliche is around for a reason, because it really does work. It doesn't take a complete transformation to drive guys wild. Even a small noticeable change in your appearance is enough to make him stop and consider you in ways he never has before. So, get a haircut, buy a new outfit, or try out a new makeup style. As far as I'm concerned, those are the best ways to make any man go crazy for you. If you have any more ways to drive men wild, leave them in the comments below. I love reading what you guys have to say. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.